Hello, students. Now, the topic which we are discussing today is general organic chemistry. Already we have started with this topic and we have completed with general definitions, classifications, and we are also done with isomerism in alkanes specifically. And now we've shifted to nomenclature. We've done the nomenclature of alkanes. The functional group which we are discussing now is alkene, and accordingly we'll proceed further with alkyne and all that, whatever, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Now, Kushi, tell me why alkenes are also called olefins?
Yes, because alkenes on reaction with halogens produces oily substances, and in Latin, oleum means oil and fiant means making. So alkenes are also called as olefins.
Since they are oil making. Okay. Now the functional group of the alkene is dash C, double bond C dash, and one more valency on carbon. The name of this functional group is olefinic linkage. Correct?
Yes,
Yeah, and in the general structure, what we will be doing is we will just add a, do you remember?
Alkyl R.
Okay, so it will be R. We can also write R1, R2, R3, R4, or we can simply write R, it's fine. All the R can be same or different. Correct? These all R can be same or different. Can this R be H?
Yes.
yes,
Or they can be H also. If all R are H, then which alkene we will make?
Ethene.
Very good. Hey, do you remember the common name of alkenes? Alkylene. What about the IUPAC name of alkenes?
Alkyl.
Alkenes. How to distinguish isomers? For isomers, we can use
N-isoneo.
N-isoneo. Can we use sectert?
that was for alkyls.
No, I asked, can we use sec or tert for alkene? Where I can use is a different thing. I'm asking, can we use it for alkene?
No.
No, we cannot use, because alkenes are primary in nature. They are primary compounds. And for a primary compound, we will make use of N-isoneo. Or we can use Greek numbers like alpha, beta, gamma, delta, epsilon. We will see that. How to use it. Over here for isomers, we will distinguish by some numbers. Correct? Numbers are used to distinguish between isomers. Example, first example, when all the R are H, if all the alkyl groups are hydrogen, then we will be making and just pick up from here 2 carbons, alk is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Even in the IUPAC, alk will be it. Or will it change?
Will remain it.
Correct. So I'll just add the suffix ethylene and I'll add the suffix ethene. Yes or no?
Yes.
Now we take another example. Propene. In propene also we will need this, see, H. Only the number of carbons are 3. So third carbon I am writing here. Yes or no? So one
Yes.
of the R is Chhatri and all other R are hydrogen. Prop. Here also prop. Suffix ylene. Suffix in. Now we have 4 carbons. See how I'm writing 4 carbons. Don't copy it. Are you copying it? You should not. Just wait. See, I'm writing here also. Correct? I've shifted the double bond. We have done all these structures if you remember. And I'm writing like this. Now, to name them, see, common system for all of them, I'll be writing the word root but. Because there are 4 carbons, I'll be writing the word root but. But. Can you tell me how does it differ still? Butylene. Here also butylene. Do you remember? Common system count all carbons. Hey,
Yes,
do you
ma'am.
remember? Common system count all carbons.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
when the
ma'am.
functional, okay, when the functional group is on first carbon, in Greek it is called alpha. Alpha, beta, gamma, delta. Instead of writing in IUPAC 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you remember in IUPAC we number like this?
Yes.
Everyone remembers?
Yes, ma'am.
Here also long chain is but. Suffix is in. But in common we write alpha and in IUPAC we write 1 which indicates location of
Double bond.
yes. We can also write it like this but dash 1 dash
In.
in. Can you guess according to that what will be this?
View to in.
Beta butylene. 2-butene. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Or but-2-ene. 2-butene or but-2-ene. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
And this one is isobutylene. Remember?
Yes.
And what will be the IUPAC name? Just check. 2
2-methyl propane.
2-methyl propene. Correct? It is 2-methyl propene. Shall I complete the lecture first and then you write?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
That will be better, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
We can take up a question. What is the IUPAC name What is the IUPAC name of isomers of C5H10? How do we write the answer? C5H10 corresponds to CnH2n, which is the general formula of alkenes. Correct?
Yes.
The various isomers are as follows. ऐसे ही लिखते हैं ना भाई आंसर कि डायरेक्ट ही चालू हो जाए स्ट्रक्चर लेके. Correct? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tell me, किधर डबल बॉन्ड डालू पहले? चलो चलो तुम्हें पार्ट लेना है अभी.
First carbon.
First carbon.
फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड के बीच में ऐसा बोलने का. अभी किधर डालू? सेकंड एंड थर्ड के बीच में.
Third.
और बन सकता है कुछ स्ट्रेट चेन में?
No.
No.
Can we make anything else in the straight chain?
No.
No, ma'am.
No, not at all. We cannot make anything in the straight chain because we are done with the various positions of the double bond. Can I make a branch? Yes.
Yes.
I can put the double bond here. So 2, 1, 1, 3, and 3. Can I put the double bond in the center, Bacha Party?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Nothing will come here, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Can we make one more? Yes.
Yes.
What I can do?
2 carbons.
No.
Sulfur down.
दो तो कभी हो ही नहीं सकता. क्या बोलते बाबा? 2 कार्बन का ब्रांच कैसे बनेगा? We can shift the double bond here.
Bond on first carbon.
Yes, Yashvi. Now, tell me the IUPAC name of the first one, Nidesh.
Propane. No, sorry, one. Okay. One propene. One pentene.
Yeah. Pent 1 in. Dhruv, next one.
Pen 2 in.
Keegan, next one.
3-methyl butyl. But 1 in.
अरे भूत कौन है यहाँ? ब्यूट. भूत मतलब
Sorry, ma'am.
ब्यूट 1 in. Okay, Monesh.
Yes, miss.
Give the answer. What you know? Don't
It's
know what's
2-methyl.
going on. Yeah.
2-methyl. But 2 in.
Chinmay.
Yes.
2-methyl.
Yeah. Say
2-methyl butyl.
2-methyl
Butyl.
butane. Butane का है
but 2.
क्या बोल
1.
1 अरे भाई तुम्हारा डबल बॉन्ड फर्स्ट कार्बन और सेकंड के बीच में है, उसमें जो लोएस्ट नंबर है वो यहाँ लिखोगे. डोंट यू नो दिस? आई टोल्ड यू. हेलो.
Yes, मैम, अभी समझ गया.
ओके. Moksh, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Shall we make the next table? It is clear to you. First table was clear to everybody and also the attached question to it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody wants me to explain anything on the first table? Hello.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So we had class of compound, then our next column was functional group. After that, we did general structure. Then we did the common name, and then we did the IUPAC name, followed by an hello.
Example.
And after the example,
Common name.
IUPAC name. When to use alpha, beta, gamma?
In common name.
Common name.
In common name, but when? When there are isomers. Can you read what am I writing? Right from first column.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, say.
Class of compound functional group, general structure, common name. IUPAC name.
What will be the next column?
Example,
Followed by its
common name, and IUPAC.
very good. Very good. Which class of compound are we discussing right now?
Alkenes.
Alkenes. Alkenes, we are done, my dear. See, we did the alkenes and we have also done attached question to it. Hey, can't you make any more isomers? Think. Now the functional group of alkynes, we all know it is dash C triple bond C dash. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
It is called acetylenic linkage. Let me write थोड़ा छोटा लिखती हूँ जिससे कि उतनी जगह में आ जाए. छोटा. Acetylenic. Yes. Acetylenic linkage. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
दो बच्चे लोग कुर्सी से गिर गए जैसे ही मैंने यस बोला, डर गए. Okay. Now here it will be RC. You know, na? The unused bond is satisfied by an alkyl group.
Yes.
That alkyl group can be aryl group also. Anyone remembers aryl group?
Yes, miss.
What it was?
C6H5 dash.
Very good. What is the name of C6H5 dash?
Benzyl or phenol.
No, no, no. Benzyl तो बिल्कुल गलत हो गया.
Phenyl.
It is phenyl. Benzyl का स्ट्रक्चर क्या है? Okay, how aryl is obtained? By removing one hydrogen from benzene.
Benzene.
Okay, we will see that. Just wait. The phenol आएगा ना तब सीखेंगे उसको. Common name? They are named as derivatives of alkynes. Example. First example तो यही बनेगा. Yes or no?
हाँ.
You know their general formula is CnH2n minus 2, where n can be 2, 3, Common name, acetylene. IUPAC name, ethyne. Correct?
Yes.
Now, see, we are going very systematically. Don't you think so?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You need not be confused little bit also. After 2 carbons, we will go to 3 carbons, common sense. Or shall we go to 1 carbon after 2?
No, ma'am. 3 carbon.
अरे 1 से तो बना ही नहीं सकते अल्काइन. बना सकते हैं क्या?
नहीं मैम.
1 से अल्काइन बना सकते हैं क्या? नहीं. 1 से अल्कीन बना सकते हैं क्या? नहीं. 1 से अल्केन बना सकते हैं क्या?
Yes.
Yes.
कौन सा?
Methane.
Yes. Lovely, lovely, lovely. So any one place you put the triple bond, other place single bond. How many hydrogen on the first carbon?
3.
Three.
First is this one.
Ma'am, H.
अभी कोई फायदा नहीं. Now see. This much, this much, this much, this much. ये क्या है? What is this? It is this.
Acetylene.
This is called acetylenic linkage.
Yes.
तो इसमें भी इतने पार्ट को एसिटिलीन लिखने का. क्या लिखने का?
Acetylene.
Acetylene.
और आगे तुम्हें क्या दिख रहा है?
Methyl.
Methyl.
And hence the common name is derivative of acetylene. So the name becomes methyl acetylene. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
How many carbons are there in the long chain?
3.
3.
3 कार्बन के लिए क्या लिखेंगे?
Prop.
Drop.
इनमें हमने तीनों कार्बन क्यों काउंट किए?
What, miss?
Why did we count all the 3 carbons? यहाँ
Means for
prop
long chain है ना पूरा.
हाँ, 1, 2, 3. Tell me the name chain. More.
Propine.
Propine. Very good. Why not prop 1-ine? Why not prop 1-ine? Why it is propine? Bulu bulu. Arre baba. No isomers, no numbers. क्या बोला मैंने?
No isomers, no numbers.
कैन वी राइट प्रोपाइन इन एनी अदर मैनर? ज्यादा से ज्यादा ऐसे लिखेंगे, ट्रिपल बॉन्ड इधर की जगह इधर डालेंगे। क्या दोनों नाम में फर्क होगा?
नहीं मिस।
Okay, now we are 1, 2, 3 and ta 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 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 and ta ta ta. 1H, 2H, 3H, chatari, chatari, chatari. Okay. Now comes the common name. Yuvika, tell me the common name of this alkyl.
Ma'am, butacetylene.
इसमें एसिटिलीन कौन सा पार्ट है युविका? एसिटिलीन बताओ कौन सा है? टेल मी द नंबर ऑफ कार्बन फॉर एसिटिलीन. एसिटिलीन ऑन विच कार्बन नंबर? माय डियर, एसिटिलीन कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड होता है. यहाँ तुम्हें लिखा दिया कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड इज एसिटिलीन. अब मैं पूछ रही हूँ इस स्ट्रक्चर में एसिटिलीन कहाँ है? उस कार्बन का नंबर बोलो. तुम बोलते ही नहीं हो.
Ma'am, the first carbon.
How first can be acetylene? How can you make triple bond just on first? It is first and second यार. Come on. इधर भी मैंने circle किया है. Are you not attentive in the class? Are you not attentive? What is going on? Okay. First and second carbon का नाम क्या लिखूं युविका?
Acetylene.
एसिटिलीन. अभी ये लिखने के बाद कितने कार्बन बच गए हैं?
2.
इतना टाइम लगता है तुमको देखने में? ये 2 कार्बन कौन सा अल्काइल है? अबे कौन है ये? कौन सा अल्काइल है युविका? छत्री छट्टू.
1/8.
I am simply asking you, this is which alkyl group?
Ma'am, ethyl.
खत्म. It is ethyl
Ethyl.
acetylene. कौन है भाई तुम्हारे पीछे?
क्या बोलते हो?
मैम, मेरा नहीं है ये.
अरे भाई कौन है? रिकॉर्डिंग में गड़बड़ कर रहा है बच्चा. So this is ethyl acetylene. Okay. What is the name?
Ethyl acetylene.
Tell me the IUPAC name quickly.
Butyl.
How it can be butine? It is butanine. See Yuvika, you can see I have written an isomer here. Still you are not using the numbers, my dear. Anyway. Now I want Sneha. Sneha, इसका कौन सा कार्बन नंबर एसिटिलीन है? Please keep yourself unmute so that we can talk फटाफट. Sneha, which carbon number is acetylene? Okay. Shlok, which carbon number is acetylene? Tell me. Below. Okay. Jill Meghani, which carbon number is acetylene?
Second.
Tell me.
Dimethyl acetylene.
Oh, wow, lovely. Dimethyl acetylene. Ashna, tell me the IUPAC name. Ashna, tell me the IUPAC name. Ashna, tell me the IUPAC name. Bulu bulu. Okay, Yashvi, tell me the IUPAC name.
1,2 dimethyl ethone.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, Monish, tell me the IUPAC name. You too?
I.
Yeah, over. अरे बाबा लॉन्ग चेन नहीं सिलेक्ट कर रहे हो यशवी, तुम क्या कर रहे हो?
Yes, ma'am.
How can you number from center? You will number from the end now. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yashvi, can you tell me where do we number from the center? कब हम सेंटर से भी नंबरिंग कर सकते हैं, कहाँ पे कर सकते हैं? उसपे वो इन दैट नंबरिंग इट डजंट मैटर सेंटर है एंड है क्या है, wherever you find that thing you can number from there. Where did we learn this? Oh, you don't remember, meaning revisions are not proper. Anyone else who can answer this question?
Miss,
Yeah,
Ma'am, they are
unused bond in alkyl.
unused.
yes, very good खुशी. अगर मैंने अल्काइल ग्रुप लिया, मान लेते हैं मैंने ऐसा लिया, चलो ठीक है, एक नए पेज पे हम इस बात को सीखते हैं. Rather than doing the khichdi here, let us learn it. I mean, not learn it, let's just revise it on a new page. Suppose I take this molecule and I have a OH here, and I take this molecule where we just have a shandy here. Now, how will you number the carbon chain in the two? That difference one should understand very well. Since alkyls have something unused, वो जहां unused है वो ही one होता है, and from that you select the long chain in any direction, giving you a longer chain. And this way the long chain becomes ethyl. I'll tells it is unused, and hence we are numbering from the unused bond. And that way you have two branches of dimethyl, and so you are saying 1,1 dimethyl ethyl. But this is not a compound. If you look here, nothing is unused, it is a compound. When it is a compound, select the long chain having the functional group. So the long chain having functional group is this chain, and so we number the chain 1, 2, 3. The chain is 2-methyl butane. But in butane, second carbon has OH. For OH, we write alcohol. So we get 2-methyl butane 2 all. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So this has been done a couple of times, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So why there is a confusion? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just see it once. Is it clear to you? And I'm going to next page. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Then we go to the next. Now we do halo group. Okay. Anyone knows what is the functional group of halo group?
Minus X or like
Minus X.
X. X.
CL dash BR dash I dash.
Okay.
X dash H.
Oh, H dash X.
X dash
Dash X. Only dash X.
Yeah, just dash X. What are the various types of functional groups for halo? Hello. Arey Baba.
सिर्फ dash X ही है ना?
I said various types of group. I never said various representations. Answer was dash CL, dash BR, dash I. अरे भाई थोड़ा खोपड़िया लगाओ. ये नहीं तोते की तरह बस इतना ही बोलेंगे. तोते हो क्या? बरोबर? You understood what I'm saying, beta?
Yes, miss.
Yes, ma'am.
We have to apply our head ना यार. ऐसा थोड़ी बस मिस बताए उतना ही करना. So this is our new table. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the first column? Tell me.
Class of
Class of
compound.
compound.
What about the second column?
Functional
General
group.
structure.
Then we have
General structure.
after that,
Common name.
Common name.
and then we have
Ayupatni.
followed by
Example.
Example.
and then followed by
Common
name.
Common name.
and then we have okay. Okay. Now the class of compound is haloalkanes. Yes or no? Functional
Yes,
group dash X, general representation. Example is dash CL dash BR dash I. Do you remember any other halogen?
Astatine.
Very good.
Fluorine.
Very good. What else? Any other? Huh?
Fluorine.
Fluorine.
Chlorine, correct? Then why we didn't use them?
Fluorine is highly reactive.
Fluorine is highly reactive. That's why we don't use. And iodine? Iodine we use. And what about astatine? Astatine we don't use because it is radioactive. Astatine we don't use because it is
Radioactive.
Radioactive.
radioactive. So the halogens are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and even astatine, but we are not using fluorine because its reaction is very, very violent. It's highly reactive. We will use it in a different manner at different place. And we're also not learning astatine here because it is radioactive, but we will be writing it sooner or later somewhere. Just wait. General structure. Common name. IPAC name. Are you understanding?
Yes.
Yes.
Here common name. IPAC name.
Chloroalkane.
Here common name. IPAC name.
Bromoalkane.
इसको थोड़ा सा नीचे ले लेते हैं, तंग करेगा. ये जरा लाइन 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 बनने गए. Okay, is this clear?
Yes, miss.
Dash I, and this will be R dash I. This will be alkyl iodide. And what will be there? Iodoalkene. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Iodide, iodo. Do. चलो एग्जाम्पल बनाते हो फटाफट. कुछ भी बनाओ. छतरी Cl. छतरी Cl का नाम.
Methyl bromide.
Methyl chloride.
Ethyl chloride.
Chloro.
Methane.
Chloromethane.
Okay. Gil Katiria. Tell me any other alkyl other than methyl. कहाँ गया? Gil Katiria, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
तो बोलो ना.
CH3,
क्या?
CH2, Cl. CH3, CH2, Cl.
क्या? CH3, CH2 बस अल्काइल बोलने बोला और कुछ नहीं. Tell me some other alkyl, Josh.
CH3, CH2, CH.
Yeah, tell me some other alkyl. Nivruti.
CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2.
CH3. बोलो.
CH2,
हाँ. बोलो ना.
CH3 and CH2 3 times.
क्या बोला? God knows. अमन, कोई और एग्जाम्पल बोलो.
Ma'am, CH3, CH2,
हाँ.
CH2
हाँ,
CH2 dash.
वही बोलते रहोगे क्या? इसका दूसरा आइसोमर बोलो ना. प्रथम, टेल मी an example.
CH3 CH CH2 and CH के नीचे ये
CH के नीचे क्या?
Shandy unused.
Okay, tell me next alkyl. Josh. Here, tell me an alkyl. तुम लोग को alkyl groups नहीं आते अभी तक. Yes.
CH3 CH3 CH3
Oh my God. Chinmay. Tell me the next alkyl group.
CH3 CH2
जोर से बोलो, जोर से.
CH3 CH2 फिर CH फिर उसके नीचे
That is not the next. Aryan, tell me the next alkyl.
Mom, can I try again?
No. Aryan, tell me the next alkyl. Oh my God. Khushi,
Can I
tell,
try?
Khushi, tell me the alkyl. बेटा भूख देख के कोई भी try कर. Yeah.
CH3 CH2 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 dash.
Okay. Moksh.
CH3
Yeah.
CH नीचे
अरे
ब्रांच
बाबा, क्या बोला मैंने? खाली मोक्ष बोला. मोक्ष,
हाँ
ये अल्काइल ग्रुप का नाम बोलो. छतरी छट्टू का नाम बोलो.
इथाइल
नेक्स्ट वाले का नाम बोलो.
प्रोपाइल
यू डोंट नो. आर्या,
हाँ,
इसका नाम बोलो.
Propyl.
You also don't know. It is N-propyl. This is sec-propyl. Group से एकदम correctly आने चाहिए. झील मेघानी, next group नाम बोलो.
N-butyl.
Very good. Similarly, ये last word देखने का alkane. इसमें एक कार्बन है. अब पहले ये नाम कंप्लीट कर देते हैं. यहाँ मान लो हमने Cl डाल दिया, यहाँ हमने Br डाल दिया, यहाँ हमने I डाल दिया, यहाँ हमने I डाल दिया. नाम कैसे कंप्लीट करेंगे? इथाइल क्लोराइड, N-propyl,
Bromide.
sec-propyl,
Iodide.
N-butyl, iodide. अब इधर
Chloroethane.
ईथेन. प्रथम, नेक्स्ट नेम.
Bromobutane.
नहीं,
Propane.
कोई फायदा नहीं. बेसिक समझो. You should remember, from 3 carbon alkyl group has isomer and hence you have to use the numbers. Till you don't remember that, no point in running with the subject. Are you understanding me?
Yes, miss.
बेसिक याद नहीं है तो 5 बार 10 बार लिख के कोई फायदा नहीं. 2-iodopropane. Okay, now this, tell me the name. Jeel Katiria.
iodobutane
अगेन तुमको अभी अभी बता रहे हैं, इधर नंबरिंग का जरूरत है 3 में, तो 4 में नंबरिंग कैसे नहीं लगेगा? अरे बाबा ध्यान देने का, एब्सेंट माइंडेड होके कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. 1 iodobutane. Is this clear? This much is clear, everyone?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I am ending the recording now. Okay, then you can write it. अभी end कर देते हैं. Okay, bye bye.
मिस लिखने का था.
Okay, bye bye. Understand? Bye bye.
Recording.
Bye bye.